The hype of sea moss, touted as a superfood, is rapidly increasing among health enthusiasts. With scores of health benefits, it has been praised for its mineral content and potential impact on our well-being. But before you dive headfirst into the sea moss trend, let's take a closer look to explore whether sea moss truly lives up to the hype, or if there might be better options out there. Get ready to uncover the untold story of sea moss and discover some surprising alternatives that might change how you view sea plants. But before we delve deeper, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell button so you do not miss any of our amazing content in the future. Okay, so without any further ado, let's first understand the sea moss plants. Imagine diving into the ocean's depths, where a plant that has captivated both ancient civilizations and modern health enthusiasts is hidden beneath the waves. Meet Chondrus crispus, more commonly known as sea moss. Its unassuming appearance might deceive you, but don't be fooled. This unexplored treasure has garnered quite a reputation. With its origins tracing back centuries, sea moss has a rich history of use in various cultures. It was once whispered to be a source of vitality, prized by ancient coastal communities for its potential health-boosting properties. But how does this unassuming sea plant achieve such a claim? Sea moss boasts a nutrient profile that reads like a wish list for optimal health. Loaded with an array of minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants, it has piqued the interest of health seekers worldwide. From iodine to iron, vitamin C to magnesium, this oceanic marvel could be the answer to a well-rounded diet. But does it truly hold the key to unlocking these benefits? Are the legends true, or are there undercurrents we need to navigate? As we sail further into the sea moss saga, we stumble upon hidden depths that cast a shadow on its shimmering reputation. While the surface glistens with promise, the waters beneath reveal complexities that deserve our attention. Well, behind every health claim lies a question. Is it grounded in science or adrift in the currents of hype? While sea moss has been hailed as a panacea for numerous ailments, the scientific evidence supporting these claims is often scant. Thus, as we explore its potential, we must navigate the fine line between aspiration and substantiated truth. Additionally, the absorbent nature of sea moss, like a sponge for nutrients, also makes it susceptible to absorbing heavy metals from its environment. These metals, lurking beneath the waves, pose potential risks to our health when ingested. The gleaming sea plant may carry hidden shadows, reminding us that not all that glitter is gold. Last but not least, while sea moss has a long-standing history of use, it's not without its potential pitfalls. Various allergic reactions can emerge unexpectedly, and the possibility of interactions with existing medications adds another layer of complexity to the sea moss narrative. As we navigate through the waves of information, it becomes evident that the sea moss story is not as clear-cut as it appears. While the sea moss story unfolds with intrigue, a whole world of underwater wonders is waiting to be explored. There are other sea plant alternatives that could give it a run for its money. Intrigued? Well, you should be. Here are some of the best sea plant alternatives to sea moss. First up, we have dulse. This reddish algae is a true nutritional powerhouse. Not only does it provide a good dose of vitamins and minerals like iodine and iron, but it's also a fantastic source of plant-based protein. It's like the ocean's answer to your protein needs. But that's not all. Dulse boasts a savory, slightly smoky flavor that can add a unique twist to your dishes. The number 2 alternative on our list is kelp. Talking about kelp, this is a giant among sea plants. It is like nature's multivitamin, offering a wide spectrum of nutrients, including calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K. But what sets kelp apart is its impressive concentration of iodine, which supports thyroid health. It's like giving your metabolism a gentle ocean breeze. And guess what? Kelp can be enjoyed in various forms, from crispy snacks to noodle-like strands. It's the sea veggie that keeps on giving. Brace yourselves for spirulina, a blue-green algae that's causing quite a stir in the health world. Don't let its tiny size fool you. This powerhouse is loaded with protein, B vitamins, and antioxidants. Spirulina's deep green color comes from chlorophyll, the same pigment that fuels plant life on land. And let's not forget its potential immune-boosting properties. If you're looking for a sea plant that's small but mighty, spirulina might be your new BFF. Ready for another sea plant alternative that's worth a spot on your plate? Introducing wakame, a delicate and delicious seaweed that's been a staple in Asian cuisine for centuries. Wakame isn't just about flavor, it's a great source of essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. But here's the kicker. Wakame contains a unique compound called fucoxanthin, which some studies suggest could support metabolism and weight management. Thus, it would not be wrong to term wakame the ocean's secret to a balanced body. Who said healthy eating can't be convenient when you have nori? Imagine a sushi roll wrapped snugly in a sheet of nori. But did you know that nori isn't just a sushi sidekick? This sea plant is rich in vitamins A and C, making it a fantastic choice for supporting skin health and immunity. And it's portable. Keep a pack of nori sheets in your bag for a quick and crunchy snack that's not just tasty, but nutritious too. Now let's switch gears a bit and talk about agar, a sea plant that doesn't quite fit the traditional mold. Agar is a type of gelatin derived from algae, and it's often used as a plant-based alternative to animal-based gelatin. Whether you're a dessert lover or you enjoy experimenting in the kitchen, agar can be your go-to for creating jellies, puddings, and even vegan cheeses. It's like having your seaweed and eating it too. In this ocean of choices, picking the right sea plants is like charting a course through uncharted waters. As we set sail, remember, sustainability is the North Star. Choose plants that honor marine ecosystems while sourcing responsibly to ensure quality and minimize surprises like allergens. Yet, knowledge is your anchor. Research these sea treasures thoroughly, understanding their benefits and potential drawbacks. And don't voyage alone. Seek expert advice to tailor your choices to your unique needs. Our journey has come to an end. Though considering sea moss offered benefits to be true, the sea moss is not a singular solution, but as a part of a broader mosaic of sea plants, each offering its own gifts to our well-being. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Have you tried sea moss or its alternatives? What's your favorite sea plant and why? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to dive deeper into informative content like this. Here's to setting sail on a journey of informed wellness, one sea plant at a time. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, may your choices be as rich as the ocean's bounty.